Start with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficial and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to all of you who are watching my video. I am Shamsa from Faculty of Education. The topic which I am going to present today is standard deviation, which is assigned to me by my teacher Dr. Amjad Arain. Now let's move on to my topic, standard deviation. So first I'm going to define what is standard deviation. Okay, so standard deviation is the number used to tell how measurements for a group are spread out, the average, means or accepted value. A low standard deviation means that most of the numbers are very close to the average, means most of the number are close to the mean. A high standard deviation means that the numbers are spread out. Okay, so we have simple example of calculating standard deviation. Okay, so let's say we wanted to calculate the standard deviation for the amounts of gold coins pyramids on a pyramid ship have. There are 100 pyramids on the ship. In statistical terms, this means we have a population of 100. If we know the amount of gold coins each of the 100 pyramids have, we use the standard deviation equation for an entire population. Okay, so this is the formula of standard deviation. First sign show the standard deviation of sample, other one show means sum of, and then each value in the data set. Then other sign is means to mean of all values in the data set, and then n show the number of values in the data set. Okay, so what if we don't know the amount of gold coins each of the 100 pyramids have? For example, we only had enough time to ask 5 pyramids how many gold coins they have. In statistical terms, this means we have a sample size of 5, and in this case we use the standard deviation equation for a sample of a population. So again, this is our formula. So the rest of this example will be done in the case where we have a sample size of 5 pyramids. Therefore, we will be using the standard deviation equation for a sample of population. Here are the amounts of gold coins the 5 pyramids have: 4, 2, 5, 8, 6. So this is our data set. Now let's calculate the standard deviation. So calculating the standard deviation, our first step is to calculate the mean. Okay, for mean we add all the numbers of data. Okay, like as you can see, then 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6 is equal to 25. After editing all these numbers, now I am dividing it with 5, so the answer which we get is 5. So it means our mean is 5. Now let's move on to second step, which is to calculate for each value in the same, means x minus x bar. Now here what we do, we minus 4 with 5, and after minusing 4 with 5, the answer which we get is 1. So 2 minus 5 is equal minus 3, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, and then 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Now third step is to calculate. Now here what we do, we multiply all these number with the same number. Like we multiply 1 with 1, we get the answer of 1. Then we multiply 3 with 3, it is equal to 9. Then 0 multiplied by 0 is 0. Then again 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. then 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. Okay, after multiplying all these number with the same number, the answer which we get, we add all these answer together, and then the answer which we get is 20. Okay, after editing all these number, we have the answer of these number is 20. Now move on to step 4, that is calculate the standard deviation. Okay, now we are going to calculate the standard deviation. This is the formula. Okay, so 20 divided by 4, as you can see that total number is, from total number we minus 1, then we have 4, then we divided 20 with 4, we get the answer of 2.24. means the standard deviation for the amounts of gold coins the parrots have is 2.24 gold coins. So the answer of standard deviation which we get is 2.24 gold coins. Okay, I hope you all understand. If you understand this tutorial and like this video, then do like my video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.